How to see description box of a YouTube video. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily find and view the description box on a YouTube video and what features you can find there. But before we get started, make sure to hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. Now let's just jump right in. First thing first, open up the YouTube application on your device. Now, if you are on a computer, the description box is right below the video title. You just have to scroll down a bit and you'll see a short preview. To expand it fully, you can just find the option that says show more. What I'm going to do now is simply tap on any one of the video here. So I'll just go ahead and tap on this video. Now on your mobile device, you'll find a small download area down below. And right below the title of the video, you'll have the more button. So just go ahead and tap on more and it will pop out the description box. If you want to see more about the description, just tap on more one more time. And then it will show you all the description of the video. So what you can find there is video details, like creator often explains what the video is about in more detail. You can find different links of social media. As you can see here, there are a lot of links. And then you can also find timestamps in some cases if the creator has added different section in the video. Then you can see credit and music info, like many creators credit the background music, sponsor, or different collaborators. So description box isn't just text, it's a valuable spot to get more context. You can also explore different resources and navigate a video better. That's it for the today video. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.